There is only one world, and we should take advantage of it and keep it clean. But if this world dies, we don't have another one to keep us alive and breathing. Don't you think everything looks nice when we clean it? Well, that's how our world should look like, and will last more if we recycle. The importance and process of recycling in every home is to save Mother Earth. My point one is about the negative effect on biodegradable. Non-biodegradable waste products have long-lasting effects on landfills, where toxic pollutants often contaminate groundwater. Non-biodegradable can also lead to outgassing, and these chemicals can cause many health problems, also to old people. This waste can take a long time to decompose, and some might even take many years. Some chemicals are just released into the air and others are burned. When these chemicals are released into the air, they can travel to homes and many people can breathe them and die. Why should we recycle? It is important to recycle because now we have a great amount of population and we are stretching our natural resources to the limits. This can cause global warming if we don't take care of our world and can cause many problems. We should also recycle because when we recycle, we could reduce pollution a lot. Substances can be used over and over when recycling. Many people use all these plastics and other things to make creativity and even become famous thanks to this creativity made by recycling. Recycling is also good for the environment because the dumpster doesn't get too full and time by time it will be reducing. Benefits of recycling are that it reduces global warming, prevents air pollution, and H2O pollution. It also saves many energy. Reducing global warming is good, but it is a very hard job, and we have to try very hard to do it. Preventing air pollution can cause many problems, like for example asthma or lung cancer. It ruins your respiratory system because of all those chemicals. Saving energy in your city is very important because many of these non-renewable sources. Energy is used every day because it helps us do many things. It helps us to do transportation, work, house, and many other things we need every day to survive and keep us healthy. Based from an article entitled Benefits of Recycling, published by OhioDNR.com, recycling is an important way for individuals and businesses to reduce the waste they generate and reduce the negative impact of that waste. Because recycling is a big business in Ohio, every time you recycle, it also supports many companies and employees doing this important work. Recycling conserves our natural resources, saves landfill space, conserves energy, and reduces water pollution, air pollution, and the greenhouse gas emissions that cause global warming. Together, reducing, reusing, recycling, and burning recycled products make up a comprehensive waste and resource reduction strategy that benefits our natural world and our economy. Saving natural resources and natural gas areas. Making products with what we recycle materials slows the depletion of non-renewable resources, such as metal, oil, and natural gases, and reduces the encroachment of new mining and drilling operations. Conserving non-renewable resources through recycling also helps preserve undistributed land and natural diversity by reducing the amount of land needed for agriculture and timber production. It generally takes less energy to make products with recycled materials, and virgin materials often significantly less. For example, it takes 20 times more energy to make aluminum for bauxite or enough energy to power a computer for 3 hours. Benefits of reduced energy consumption include reduced cost and reduced dependence of foreign suppliers. Reducing pollution. Because most energy in Ohio is generated by burning fossil fuels, using less energy means generating less water and air pollution, especially the greenhouse gases that cause global warming. Recycling also reduces other forms of pollution as well. Runoff from mining operations and farms, soil erosion, and the toxic chemicals released when raw materials are processed. Every everything that goes into a landfill stays there, taking up space. As waste break down, which can take hundreds of years, it releases the greenhouse gas methane and can emit many toxic pollutants into our water table. According to David Morris of the Institute for Local Self-Reliance, the case of recycling is strong. The bottom line is clear. Recycling requires a trivial amount of our time. Recycling saves money and reduces pollution. Recycling creates more jobs in landfills or incineration.